Ever dreamed of dwarfing the creepers or playing hide-and-seek as a tiny adventurer in Minecraft? Today, we're diving into the fun and hilarious world of changing your player size in Minecraft, unlocking a whole new dimension of creative gameplay. First things first, you'll need a mod for this demonstration. We'll be using a popular and easy-to-use mod for player scaling. Make sure you have your preferred mod loader, like Forge or Fabric, installed and ready to go. Head over to your web browser and search for a suitable player size mod. There are many fantastic options available on sites like CursorForge. Download the mod file compatible with your version of Minecraft and your mod loader. Once downloaded, locate your Minecraft installation folder. You can usually find this by opening the Minecraft launcher, clicking on the Installations tab, then selecting your profile and clicking Open Game Folder. Inside the game folder, find or create a folder named Mods. Drag and drop the downloaded mod file into this mods folder. It's as simple as that. Now, launch Minecraft using the modded profile you've set up. Once the game loads, you should notice a new menu or any game command that allows you to adjust your player size. The specific method varies slightly between mods, but typically, you'll access a menu by pressing a designated hotkey, or you might use a simple in-game command. Look for options that let you set your height, width, and even depth. To become a tiny titan of the world, select a smaller scale. You'll find yourself dwarfed by even the smallest of creatures, turning familiar landscapes into an alien environment. Want to feel like a colossal force? Crank up the scale. You'll tower over buildings and can simply step over those pesky fences. Imagine the possibilities for building and exploration. This mod opens up a world of hilarious and incredibly creative gameplay. Build giant structures with ease, create miniature obstacle courses, or simply enjoy the comedic effect of your altered dimensions. So go ahead, experiment with your size, and redefine your Minecraft adventures. The only limit is your imagination.